Have you ever imagined creatures thriving in absolute darkness beneath deep oceans? What if those creatures have abilities far beyond human imagination and understanding? The deep sea hides mysteries we are only beginning to uncover today. Sinking deeper reveals a world where sunlight never reaches any living organism. In this darkness, survival depends on extraordinary and strange biological adaptations alone. Every deep-sea creature tells a survival story millions of years old. Pressure in the deep ocean can crush most surface-dwelling life instantly. Yet deep-sea organisms have evolved incredible ways to resist destruction itself. Some animals produce their own light to communicate and attract prey efficiently. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence and is common in deep ocean's ecosystems. Imagine glowing fish lighting up an otherwise pitch-black underwater world completely. These adaptations are not just fascinating, they are essential for survival indeed. Without such traits, life could not exist in extreme deep environments at all. Scientists continuously study deep-sea creatures to unlock evolutionary secrets today deeply. Every discovery in deep oceans reshapes our understanding of life itself completely. Creatures here often look like they belong to alien worlds entirely beyond. Their appearances can be both terrifying and strangely beautiful simultaneously in nature. Many deep-sea species rely on enhanced senses rather than vision alone. Eyes are often useless in pitch-black oceanic environments down below completely. Instead, creatures depend on vibrations pressure and chemical detection systems around them. Some species have transparent bodies to avoid detection by predators effectively always. Others have enormous jaws capable of swallowing prey larger than themselves instantly. Food is scarce, so survival strategies are extremely competitive and harsh indeed. Many animals conserve energy by moving slowly through deep ocean currents gracefully. Some barely move at all, waiting patiently for passing prey nearby always. Deep sea environments are some of the harshest on planet Earth itself. Temperatures remain near freezing despite crushing pressure at extreme depths always stable. Yet life persists adapting in ways that defy scientific expectations, constantly evolving. Some fish have antifreeze proteins preventing their blood from freezing completely safely. Others survive by producing enzymes that function under extreme pressure conditions today. Light production helps species communicate in total darkness efficiently without difficulty always. Bioluminescence can also lure unsuspecting prey closer for capture very effectively always. Some creatures use light patterns to confuse predators nearby instantly safely always. The deep sea is like an alien world on Earth completely unexplored. New species are still being discovered in these mysterious depths today constantly. Each discovery challenges previous assumptions about life and evolution itself, deeply always. Some deep-sea creatures look prehistoric and ancient, in appearance always mysterious. Their survival depends on adaptation rather than strength or speed alone truly. Many species have evolved over millions of years in isolation, deep ocean. The absence of light has shaped their unique evolutionary paths dramatically forever. Deep-sea vents support entire ecosystems without sunlight exposure directly, naturally always. Chemicals from Earth's crust fuel life around hydrothermal vents deep underwater systems. This creates entirely independent ecosystems, thriving in extreme conditions, always surprisingly stable. Some animals resemble creatures from science fiction movies, perfectly realistic, always mysterious. Their survival techniques continue to amaze marine biologists worldwide, constantly, deeply always. Predation in deep-sea environments is highly strategic and brutal indeed, always. Every movement must conserve energy, and avoid unnecessary exposure constantly, carefully always. Deep sea animals often have slow metabolic rates for survival efficiency always. This allows them to survive long periods without food availability successfully always. Some species can survive extreme pressure greater than human comprehension levels easily. These adaptations make deep sea life incredibly diverse and resilient overall always. Scientists use submarines and robots to explore these hidden worlds carefully constantly. Each expedition reveals new behaviors never seen before by humans directly previously. These discoveries help us understand life's adaptability under pressure deep ocean conditions. Deep sea ecosystems are fragile, yet remarkably self-sustaining systems overall perfectly balanced. Even slight environmental changes can drastically impact these creatures, instantly, permanently, always. Understanding deep sea adaptations may inspire future scientific innovations globally significantly. Beneath crushing depths, strange survival strategies begin to reveal themselves slowly today. Scientists were once convinced nothing could survive such extreme deep pressure conditions. Yet discoveries from submersibles prove life thrives even deeper than expected today. Deep sea fish possess flexible bones and soft bodies for compression resistance. Some creatures collapse slightly under pressure but without suffering any damage internally. Their cellular structures contain unique molecules, preventing structural failure completely always today. Bioluminescent signals help species coordinate hunting strategies in absolute darkness below ocean. Anglerfish use glowing lures to attract prey into deadly close encounters quickly. The deep ocean food chain relies on opportunistic feeding and scavenging behavior. Many species wait motionless for hours, conserving energy in darkness completely still. Some deep-sea predators have expandable stomachs for large, unpredictable meals quickly. Others rely on sensing electrical fields emitted by nearby hidden prey instantly. Pressure at deep sea depths equals thousands of atmospheric forces combined together. Despite this, cell membranes remain intact due to specialized lipid structures naturally. Some jellyfish drift effortlessly using minimal energy in deep ocean currents slowly. Their translucent bodies help avoid detection from predators above and below always. Some species even develop red coloration, invisible in deep blue waters completely. Food scarcity forces extreme adaptations in hunting and energy conservation methods constantly. Many animals possess slow metabolisms to survive long periods without feeding regularly. Some organisms glow brightly when disturbed as defense mechanisms against predators instantly. Deep-sea ecosystems often rely on marine snow falling from above continuously. This organic debris provides essential nutrients for bottom-dwelling organisms' deep ocean floor. Hydrothermal vents release mineral-rich water supporting unique life forms deep underwater ecosystems. Tube worms survive near vents without sunlight using chemical energy sources exclusively. These ecosystems function independently from solar energy, unlike surface ocean life systems. Some crustaceans develop reinforced exoskeletons to withstand extreme pressure forces, deep sea environments. Giant squids possess enormous eyes, adapted for detecting minimal light sources far away. Their size allows them to dominate many deep ocean predator hierarchies efficiently. Some fish migrate vertically daily between deep and shallow water zones regularly. This movement helps access food resources unavailable at single depth levels always. Predators often rely on ambush techniques rather than active pursuit hunting strategies. Energy efficiency is crucial for survival in nutrient-poor environments, deep ocean zones. Some species form symbiotic relationships with bacteria near hydrothermal vents, deep sea areas. These bacteria convert toxic chemicals into usable energy for survival deep ocean life. Some fish have specialized eyes capable of detecting bioluminescent signals instantly clearly. Predation pressure has shaped extreme morphological diversity in deep ocean species forever. Deep sea sharks exhibit slow movement, conserving energy during long hunts efficiently. Some species can survive weeks without eating any substantial food sources easily. Extreme darkness has led to enhanced sensory adaptations across many species naturally. Each adaptation demonstrates evolution's ability to solve environmental survival challenges. Deep ocean world. Some predators detect vibrations in water to locate hidden prey. Deep sea zones. Their lateral lines act like sensitive biological radar systems. Underwater, naturally efficient sensing. Some deep-sea creatures have extremely long lifespans compared to surface species. Slow growth rates help them survive in resource-limited environments, deep ocean habitats. Many organisms reproduce infrequently due to harsh environmental conditions below deep-sea regions. Some larvae drift across oceans before settling in deep habitats naturally over time. This dispersal increases genetic diversity across isolated deep-sea populations significantly over time. Some deep fish can change color depending on surrounding light conditions instantly. Camouflage plays vital role in avoiding predators and capturing prey, deep ocean survival. These adaptations continue evolving as ocean environments change over time, naturally, constantly. Some species exhibit parental care even in extreme deep environments rarely observed behavior. Eggs are often protected in specially adapted biological structures, deep sea species. Deep ocean mysteries continue to challenge everything scientists believed about life today. Every new discovery reveals organisms with abilities that seem almost impossible naturally. Some creatures generate light patterns more complex than human technology systems. These bioluminescent displays serve communication, attraction, and defense simultaneously underwater always. In total darkness, light becomes the most powerful survival tool available. Deep sea animals often rely on chemical signals instead of visual cues. Smell and taste systems are highly developed in many ocean predators today. Some fish can detect a single drop of blood in water. Their sensory organs are extremely sensitive compared to surface-dwelling species. Evolution has favored precision sensing over speed in deep ocean environments. Many predators use stealth instead of chase tactics to capture prey. Sudden movements are rare because energy conservation is absolutely essential below. Some deep-sea creatures appear almost invisible due to transparent tissues. This invisibility helps them escape predators in pitch-black waters easily. Others use reflective surfaces to confuse attackers during sudden encounters quickly. Camouflage patterns shift depending on surrounding light conditions, underwater constantly changing. Deep sea fish often have oversized mouths for opportunistic feeding success. Their teeth are sharp and angled inward, preventing prey escape easily. Some species can swallow prey twice their own body size instantly. This adaptation ensures survival in environments where food is unpredictable always. Many organisms develop energy storage systems for long starvation periods naturally. Fat reserves act as survival fuel during extreme food shortages below. Some deep-sea sharks migrate slowly, searching for scarce feeding grounds. Their movement is deliberate and highly energy efficient in darkness always. Pressure-resistant proteins protect cells from collapsing under extreme ocean depths. These proteins are unique to deep-sea organisms and highly specialized. Some creatures possess gelatinous bodies that withstand crushing underwater forces easily. This soft structure replaces rigid bones found in surface animals completely. Deep-sea ecosystems depend heavily on falling organic matter from surface. This constant rain of nutrients supports entire communities on ocean floor. Scavengers play a vital role in recycling deep-sea organic waste. Some organisms feed exclusively on decaying material drifting downward constantly. Hydrothermal vents create unique chemical-based ecosystems without sunlight dependency entirely. Life here thrives on sulfur and mineral-rich superheated water emissions. Tube worms survive by hosting bacteria that produce energy chemically always. These bacteria convert toxic substances into usable nutrients for survival systems. Some crabs and shrimp cluster around vents in massive populations densely. These ecosystems are among the most extreme on planet Earth today. Deep-sea creatures often evolve slower due to stable environmental conditions. Isolation leads to highly specialized and unique biological traits over time. Some fish have reduced or completely absent eyesight due to darkness. Instead, other senses become dominant for survival and navigation purposes always. Electrical sensing helps predators detect hidden prey in total darkness efficiently. Some species generate weak electric fields for communication and navigation purposes. Deep-sea animals often grow slowly but live significantly longer lives. This slow metabolism conserves energy in nutrient-poor environments effectively always. Many species exhibit bizarre body shapes adapted for specific survival roles. Some resemble floating ribbons, while others look like alien organisms completely. Evolution in deep oceans produces forms unlike anything on land today. Each adaptation reflects millions of years of environmental pressure and change. Predation strategies often involve patience rather than active pursuit hunting behavior. Some predators remain motionless for hours waiting for passing prey nearby. Sudden attacks are more efficient than continuous movement in deep waters. Energy efficiency determines survival success more than strength or speed alone. Deep-sea creatures often rely on symbiosis for essential survival needs. These biological partnerships enhance chances of survival in extreme conditions always. Even reproduction is adapted to low population density in deep oceans. Some species release vast numbers of eggs to increase survival odds. Despite harsh conditions, life continues thriving in unimaginable creative evolutionary ways. Imagine a world where every movement could mean life or instant death. Deep-sea creatures live in such a reality every single moment. Survival here is not about strength, but about extreme adaptation skills. Every organism has evolved unique traits to survive crushing underwater pressure. Some species can withstand pressures hundreds of times greater than surface levels. Their bodies are built with flexible structures instead of rigid skeletal systems. This flexibility prevents them from being crushed by extreme ocean forces. Darkness dominates completely, making vision almost useless for most deep creatures. As a result, other senses become incredibly powerful and highly refined. Some animals detect vibrations in water with astonishing precision and accuracy. These vibrations help them locate prey and avoid predators efficiently always. Deep-sea predators often rely on surprise attacks rather than pursuit hunting. Patience becomes a deadly weapon in this silent underwater environment constantly. Many species have evolved glowing lures to attract unsuspecting prey closer. These natural lights act like traps in the pitch-black ocean. Bioluminescence also helps creatures communicate in total darkness without visual signals. Some fish produce flashing patterns to confuse or scare predators instantly. This light production is created through chemical reactions inside their bodies. Energy efficiency is critical because food sources are extremely scarce below. Many organisms survive long periods without eating anything substantial at all. Their metabolism slowed down dramatically to conserve every available energy resource. Some deep-sea fish can survive months without a single meal. Others store energy in specialized fatty tissues for emergency survival use. These adaptations ensure survival in unpredictable and harsh deep ocean environments. Hydrothermal vents create hotspots of life in otherwise empty ocean regions. Around these vents, entire ecosystems thrive without any sunlight energy source. Chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of these unique deep-sea food chains. These bacteria convert chemicals from Earth's crust into usable energy forms. Tube worms rely entirely on these bacteria for their survival needs. They have no mouths or digestive systems like typical marine animals. Instead, they host bacteria inside their bodies in a symbiotic relationship. This partnership allows life to exist in otherwise toxic environments below. Some crabs and shrimp live near vents to feed on bacteria. These species have adapted to withstand extreme heat and chemical exposure. Deep sea fish often have extremely large eyes, or none at all. Large eyes help detect faint bioluminescent signals in near total darkness. Blind species rely entirely on other senses for navigation and survival. Some fish can detect electrical fields produced by nearby living organisms. This ability helps them locate hidden prey in complete darkness efficiently. Many deep-sea predators are ambush hunters using stealth and patience. They conserve energy by staying motionless for long periods of time. When prey comes close, they strike quickly with extreme precision always. Some species have extendable jaws to capture large prey instantly whole. Their stomachs can expand significantly to store large meals when available. Reproduction is also adapted to extreme conditions in deep ocean habitats. Many species produce thousands of eggs to increase survival chances overall. Larvae often drift long distances before settling in deep-sea regions. This increases genetic diversity and distribution across vast ocean environments. Deep-sea animals often grow slowly due to limited nutrient availability. Slow growth helps them survive in energy-restricted environments for years. Some species live significantly longer than similar animals in shallow waters. Their lifespans are extended due to reduced metabolic activity overall naturally. Camouflage is another essential adaptation for survival in deep ocean darkness. Some fish blend perfectly with surrounding water to avoid detection easily. Others use reflective skin to disappear in faint light conditions quickly. Every adaptation serves one purpose: survival in an extreme environment constantly. Evolution has shaped these creatures into highly specialized survival experts underwater. Each species represents millions of years of adaptation and natural selection. The deep sea remains one of Earth's last unexplored frontiers today. And every discovery continues to redefine what life is truly capable of. Today we conclude our journey into the mysterious adaptations of deep-sea animals. These creatures remind us how powerful evolution truly is in nature. Every adaptation we discover reveals new possibilities for life under extreme conditions. Deep-sea exploration continues pushing the boundaries of human scientific understanding. Scientists believe many species remain completely undiscovered in the deep oceans. Each expedition into the deep sea reveals astonishing biological secrets. These environments teach us that survival depends on adaptation, not strength alone. Bioluminescence remains one of nature's most fascinating survival tools. Pressure resistance in deep-sea creatures defies normal biological expectations. Every adaptation highlights nature's incredible creativity under extreme stress. The deep ocean still holds mysteries waiting for human discovery. Some creatures we found resemble beings from science fiction worlds. Their existence challenges what we thought possible for life itself. Deep-sea ecosystems operate without sunlight using chemical energy instead. This proves life can adapt beyond dependence on solar energy. Many discoveries are still waiting beneath unexplored ocean depths worldwide. Technology allows us to explore deeper than ever before. Submersibles and robots help scientists observe deep sea life directly and safely. Every mission reveals creatures previously unknown to human civilization. These discoveries inspire scientists to continue exploring ocean mysteries further. Deep-sea animals demonstrate resilience in the most extreme Earth conditions. Their adaptations show evolution's power over millions of years. Scientists study these species to understand survival mechanisms in detail. Every organism contributes to the balance of ocean ecosystems below. Some adaptations may inspire future human technological advancements. Nature continues to surprise us with its endless innovation. The deep sea remains largely unexplored compared to other environments. Each species discovered adds another piece to the evolutionary puzzle of life. Life in darkness proves adaptability is key to survival everywhere. Some organisms have remained unchanged for millions of evolutionary years. Their stability shows how effective deep-sea adaptations can become over time. Deep ocean research continues expanding our understanding of biological diversity. Every expedition uncovers strange yet beautiful life forms beneath the waves. These findings challenge traditional ideas about where life can exist naturally. Deep-sea creatures redefine boundaries of biological possibility. Evolution continues shaping organisms in response to extreme environmental pressure. Many species thrive where humans could never survive naturally. The ocean depths remain Earth's final frontier for scientific exploration. Some discoveries have completely changed marine biology. Understanding forever. Each deep-sea organism tells a story of survival and evolution. Their existence inspires curiosity about unknown regions of Earth's oceans. Scientists believe we have only explored a fraction of ocean depths. Future exploration may reveal even more astonishing life forms beneath the waves. Technology continues improving our ability to reach deeper environments than ever. Deep-sea animals remain symbols of adaptation and resilience in nature. Their survival stories teach lessons about persistence under extreme pressure. Every adaptation highlights the importance of evolution in extreme environments. The deep sea is a living laboratory of evolution itself. Its creatures continue inspiring scientists and explorers around the world. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding the origins of life. The deep ocean remains a place of endless scientific wonder. These adaptations prove life always finds a way forward eventually. Humanity must continue exploring the deep oceans responsibly and respectfully.